When you're calculating the p-value, there are two different ways to do it, either with a calculator or the table. When you're using the table, you're going to use Table B, which will be provided to you on the AP exam. To start, let's look at the left side of the screen for the calculator version. On a TI-84 calculator, you'll go down to second distribution, and you'll see TCDF. When you're plugging in your values, you have your lower boundary, which is your t-statistic, your upper boundary, so since we're doing a right-tailed test, we're going to go all the way to 1,000, and then the degrees of freedom, which is 29. Press enter, and that'll give you a p-value of 0.0865. This is a pretty specific value, but you can also find it with a table. Using the table, we're going to find the degrees of freedom on the left-hand side. Once you go down to the left-hand side, you'll see 29. I've drawn a line, a straight horizontal line, of those values that are in that degrees of freedom row. Next, I'm going to go over to the closest value to my t-statistics. So it's somewhere between 1.311 and 1.699, but it's closer to 1.311. Therefore, you'll go straight up and you'll see that your p-value is 0.10%, or 0.10, which is 10%.